Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. We're gonna chase some more roosters today. There's only 3 weeks left of season, and Puppy and I are gonna try and get a quick limit and go watch some football. So we'll see how it pans out, but somebody's ready. I know that. She's always ready, but stick with us. We're gonna find them. Oh my God. And come on. So many of them. Gotta start shooting them now. Alright, next one I'm shooting. This is stupid. Trying to shoot the good footage ones and smart. Jesus. Jesus. Oh my God. Dead bird, Piper! Dead bird! Piper! Piper here, dead bird! Dead bird, here! Dead bird! Dead bird! Dead bird! Dead bird. Oh, it's right there. Good girl. Good girl. Hey, out, out, out. Good girl. Good girl. Well, that one buried itself. I didn't know it was there. So, good thing she came over and found it for me. She's too busy chasing the other 500 birds, but not a bad way to start the morning. Let's go knock 2 more down because they're in here thick, but beautiful bird. Love it. All right, let's keep going. Here we go. Dead bird! Dead bird! Fetch! Dead bird! Fetch! Here! Good girl! Good girl! Out! Out! Good! Good girl! Alright, well, number 2. There's like a million birds flying out over there, so let's keep hunting them. Alright, Piper, let's go. Let's get one more. This way. Here we go. Looking something. Dead bird! Dead bird! Good point. Dead bird! Good girl. Here. Hold. Here. Hold, hold. Out. Good girl. Good girl, puppy. Good girl. Yeah, it's a good girl. All right, guys. That's going to be our third bird. Oh, we're trying to be a little selective on shots. I was trying to get a couple of good points for her, so we got two that she kind of pointed, but they would not sit still. So can't control the birds. Can only control what we can control. But that's gonna be the third bird, and it's Sunday, so it's time to watch some football. We'll work her out of here, see if we can't move a few more birds, but that's gonna be it. Heck yeah. Throw them in the vest and hit the road. All right, guys. Well, that's gonna wrap it up for the day. Just got back to base camp. Gonna watch some football. What you guys didn't see is when we were walking out, Piper locked up on a covey of quail. And I was not expecting that, especially where I'm hunting. So that was fun. But anyway, I appreciate you watching. If you wouldn't mind, like the video, subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out. So until next time, I think we're gonna hit it again in the morning. So hopefully there'll be another video to follow. Thanks for watching.